But this is a rose that I took from a cutting 2 years ago, and it has done magnificently well. It's about 5 foot high. Don't know the actual variety, but I took this as a cutting from outside the Marie's office in Lemoy, which is about a 2 hour journey away, but absolutely beautiful, scented. Look how green those leaves are, absolutely no black spot there. I think because there's so much lime in the ground, and tons of buds still to open. This one does really well. It is a climber, it's very upright, but it's tied in with wires to the wall. So I think that is a success, don't you? If you want to know how to propagate roses, have a look at my rose propagation video.